Thank you for joining us for another short how-to video. This segment will show you how to quickly start an account on ListedBuy. On listedbuy.com homepage, just click on the sign up link on the top right or on the sign up option in the blue menu bar. Then, complete the information, making sure you select the right category under your account type. If you are a realtor, for example, the form will change to accommodate your realtor license number. This information will be very useful in building trust with prospects reviewing your listings or your profile on ListedBuy. Fill in the rest of the information. Then, check the terms and conditions and newsletter boxes at the bottom. The newsletter is the fastest way to receive power tips on using listedbuy.com, as well as important notifications and hot property announcements. Finally, click on the blue Complete Registration button at the bottom to finish and log into your account.